slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, what's up, everybody? How are you? However, go USA, D-Hall. Go USA. The game should start in 4 minutes. Nobody's going to be here tonight. Good evening, DeLuke. How are you? DeLuke, Keith Matthews, Camille, how are you? Diego Medrera, how are you? How are you? All right, I buy these NASDAQs here between the 05 and 45 if they get a push down here. The 15s, the 30s, reverse to sell. Go USA. Go USA. That's the chant, baby. That is the chant. Yep. All right. That is the chant. So hopefully everybody had a great everybody had a great 4th of July, right? Hey, Moises, Barbie, how are you? Vanessa, Dax, Henny Lift, Frank, Rick, am I saying it right? Heniel Fitz, how are you? Tony Gold in the house. Tony Gold. That's right. Son of Wall Street, how are you? How is everybody? The Twin Brigade will win. Okay. Martin, how are you? Hey, Martin from Norway. How are you? Wow. Congratulations, Norway. Wow. Beating Brazil. Wow. Let's go, USA. Investing bell. We got to be kept up on the score. If you guys want to try to put it on over there, Mike, you're not to put the TV on for the game or no?
This one right here?
No, the one behind you. Of course, the one.
Yeah.
Why do people do that?
Just making sure.
What? Come on, Baba.
No, I have no idea.
Okay. All right. No problem. All right. Oh my God, I got so much shit here.
What do I press?
Underneath, there's a button, the on-off button.
There we go.
Let's see if we get, wow, gold's getting kabooshed here. All right, World Cup, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. All right, what else is doing here? Pads and all right. There they go. NASDAQ is still above 50 here. They get up there. Good job. Okay. If they get another push down here, 03 to 43 on the NASDAQ or even to 40. Gold's getting kabooshed here. NASDAQ, you got Micron. Ooh, Micron down 24. SanDisk below 1,700. Finished. There we go. Just trade them here. In and out. Yes, sir. We're going to be raring to go here. Look to scale out of longs above 45 to 50 range. If you bought them, here we go. Nice little long, right there. Again, you're making new lows here. You got big bull flags here. Big, mucho grande bull flags. There they go, NASDAQ. There they go. Ryan, I hope you got the long. Ryan, get in there. What a nice little long there on that. Anybody get that long there? I don't know where the game streaming is. It's got to be on Fox, right? Who got that long there? All right. That was a great little long. Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. Good job. Great job there. What's the matter?
You're fine.
Oh, I thought you were just going to input everything first, no? Okay. Here you go. There's 2 more. Thank you. Wow, nice little long. Negative MACDs on the 15. Yeah, but you're deeply oversold on the 15 and 30s. That's why you had to buy them down there. Nice little long there. You were in and out. Okay. Iceman in the house. Hello from Winnipeg. Hey, Vaughn, how are you? If there's anybody new here and with, hey, Brad Allen. Brad Allen's from Toronto. We got Winnipeg. You get the long?
Yeah.
Good. NASDAQ just pushing up here. Beautiful. Boy, Henny's pissed. I left Henny home tonight. He's really mad. The Henster. Okay. Here you go. Michael.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, gold. Let's see what they're going to do. NASDAQ just ran about 20 here. S&P just ran about 3. So let's see what's going to happen here now. What do you mean stop out? We didn't get, I called along. What do you mean, Brad? Okay. What are you talking about? That was a beautiful long there. Ryan, I don't know if you got the long, Ryan. That was beautiful. MACD's non-confirming. Ryan, you get the long? Got it?
Yeah, I got out though.
All right, right back down there. Nobody's going to watch this. Nobody cares. See, there goes the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, if it hits 46, 76 should be up 30 on the NASDAQ. If it hits up there. Here we go. There's 34 points on the NASDAQ on that. Kaboom! There goes the NASDAQ on the kaboom. I just dropped about 20 there. Just what they get up to. Let me put the NASDAQ up. That would make a, hey, NQ, what's going on? Let's maybe put the NASDAQ up. That would really help here. Sorry about that. Put the time frame up here on the NASDAQ. Just pushed up here, what, 85, 81, and just dropped 20. All right. I was looking for, see if we can get a little higher there. All right, again, the 15s and the 60, just the 30 reversed to sell, so could have taken that short. I think the game starts at exactly 9. 9? Is it? It started already?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Started already. They scored a goal already? Ronaldo, yeah, he's out. Belgium just got a goal. Oh, my God. Come on. Christ. We got to put this game on.
Yeah, how are you on the CD?
Well, if you just put your finger underneath the, there's an on-off button.
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, now I don't know after that. What was it asking?
It's just showing us.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if we got one more push up here.
Short.
That would have been a good short. Damn it. Oh, yeah. All right. If the NASDAQ gets down to I would go even to 30. If they get down to even to 35, maybe look for one more long. 81 down and just drop 40. Damn it. All right. Let's see if they get another push down. That was a nice little. There's still the 15s are getting deeply oversold here. Deeply oversold. Wow, what a drop. Damn it. Into those negative MACDs. All right. They're getting caboose. Gold making new lows here. Gold's down 3. Wow, what a drop. 50 on that. Is gold in the bear trend? Gold right now is in a sell disconnect. What happened? All right, thank you. Wow, that was a nice short. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get above the 38 to 50 range here. 29,000. The high today was 30,080. Can you believe it? 30,080. Where's AMD trading? 449 down. NASDAQ, you can sell longs anywhere between the 38, 37, 30. What's the score? Still 1-0? All right. Let's put this 1 minute time frame up. On the NASDAQ here. What a short. Oh. This is the short 81. I can't. 80, 81 here. See if we get one more push up here. 1-0 still? Jesus. Unbelievable. Did you see AMD today? AMD pushes up to the 572.50 because Goldman Sachs said it's going to 650, 640. And the stock drops 20 on the day off the high. You could. The USA is playing sluggish. Wonderful. They got to understand there's no tomorrow, right? You can't be the host country. You got to give it all. If it gets up to the 28 to 35 range, I'll be kicking out longs. There it goes. Out, out, out. Oh, my God. Just pushed up to 35. You see how fast that is? You see how fast that is? Woo! Wow. See how fast you got to be? Start scaling out of longs here up to 35 if you're long. Hello, Bobby Trades. Anybody long here off that? Look at them go. Oh, my God, NASDAQ. NASDAQ 42. Are you long?
I got out.
Good. You got out already?
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad. Got it down to what? 50. USA looks bad. Oh, my God. Put a W if you got the long. Put a W, big W. Anybody ever see the TV show? It's a Mad, Mad, Mad World, the movie. They got to find the money under the big W. Remember that? It's a Mad, Mad, Mad World. What a movie. Look at them go. Ryan, did you get that long? Not bad. Gold's finished. Look at this gold drop. Oh my God. That's a nice little long there.
Yeah.
You got about 80?
79.74.
Dude, you don't understand who you're talking to. Like, I'm sick like that, man. You know? I'm sick like that. That's not bad.
Oh,
Good.
great.
You prefer sitting down or standing? Or?
Yeah, I'm getting sitting.
Oh my God. I can't believe they got to be down 1-0 already to Belgium. You got to be kidding me. All right, they just pushed down again. If they push down, I don't think you're going to here. Whoa, look at them go on the 1 minute. Good job, Kobop. Look at them go, Kobop, up 40. There's the link to sign up for the raffle. $18.33. There you go. All right. Wow. Look at them go. Oh, my God. These 15s and 30s. Look at them go. Oh, my God. NQ contract killer. Who's still long this? Oh, my God. Are you kidding me? 70 handles. This guy jumped. Here you go. Mike, are you still long? Oh my God, what a long.
Explosive.
See, you read, see how I said that? See, you made the new low, right? Did the MACDs confirm the low on the 60 on the S&Ps? No. S&Ps ran 6. And look at the oversold conditions on the 15, the 30, and the 60. There's no way you're shorting them down there. What are you, crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
No, gold was a buy on the new low down at 65 or 63. Made a new low, the non-confirmation. I missed that one. I think gold. Oh my God, NASDAQ. Look at this. 780 up. 80 on the NASDAQ. Now, gold made a new low, 62.63. I took my eye off it. The 30 and 60-minute MACDs did not confirm. If you want to take a scalp short only, 900 to 940 on the NASDAQ. 900 to 940 if it gets up there. Gold gets up to the 71.5 to 79.5, I'd short it. Wow, look at this now. This is a scalp short only if you want to scalp it. If not, no problem. Forbidden, was that great long? Was that a great long? That was a monster long. If the NASDAQ hits 16, it'd be up 100 in literally 12 minutes. NASDAQ, look to lower your stops if you're short below 890. D-Hall. Whoa, Nelly. NASDAQ gets up to the 10 to like 35 range. I'd short it again. Look at that on the 1 minute. If you sold, look, oh my God, it just dropped 19. Gotta be fast, man. Singles and doubles. Score the game, please, somebody. Is it still 1-0? Oh, I'll be so upset. Ugh. Ugh. See if that's NASDAQ. I tried to, I think 10 might have been it. This is, of course, what happened, hit 09 and it dropped. But let's just see. Oh, my Henny's so mad. My Henny's going to be so mad that I'm here. NASDAQ missed it by 1. Oh, my God. Look at this NASDAQ. Look at this NASDAQ. 09.5. Missed it by a half a tick. Oh, my goodness gracious. Just dropped 20 if it hits 89. Oh, my God. 20 handles. What a short. All right, I canceled the short. There's no way to put the game on? Nobody knows how?
Is there a remote for this TV?
Yeah. No, but you can
You control it with the mouse?
control it with the mouse.
Oh.
All right, I canceled that range there. All right, NASDAQ, if it gets up to the 15 up to like 40 range, I'd short it. What a rally. What a rally. My goodness, I think.
Bottom, 87.
Huh?
I sold them right now.
You're long?
Yeah, I just sold them.
You went long?
Yeah, 87.
All right.
When it pulled back.
Yeah, see, the 15s are still turning up in the 30s. So, again, you want to just scalp this.
Well, there you go.
They scored?
You got the best view in the house.
Right.
Look at this NASDAQ. I missed it by again. Look at this. Look at this NASDAQ. Missed it by 1 again. Jesus. Just dropped 10. Christ. Oh my God. Look at this. 20 down. That's 220 drops. Missed one by a half. This one by 3/4. I give up. You got short, Sam? Everybody, welcome. Jacko from Finland. How are you? Oh my God. Look at this drop. Who's short the NASDAQ? I'd cover. S&Ps just dropped 1. Gold, if you're short in that range, I would look to cover below 69.5. Wow. You long? You got 10?
Yeah. 15s are still strong, no?
Yeah, they're turning up. Wow, look at this drop. 14 down to 76. You gotta be kidding me. 430. I can't even speak. That's 40. Wow. Keith Matthews, look at him drop. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, Kaboosh. Where's the bear? Oh my God, what a short. Woo. Woo. I don't know, Ryan, if you got that short. I don't know if Ryan's up. Oh my God, look at them. Unbelievable. These are quick moves. Oh my God, yes. Yes, sir. It doesn't matter. All right, I still think if these 5s roll over, you got to buy the next pullback on the 5. Look at him drop, D-Hall. I hope you got that. Yes, of course, I trade everything. Are you crazy? Oh, they just rallied here. 65 just ran 13, 15. It's the 1 minute time frame. Boom. Where's the bear? There goes the gold right back up. Now, gold made a new low. Okay, I'll show you this. Oh, NASDAQ just ran 20. Yeah, gold made a new low here, and I'll show it to you in the 30 and the 60-minute time frame. Right? If you look at the gold here, you can see how gold pushed down right here. Oh, my God, 63. MACDs couldn't confirm on both time frames. Do you see it? Right there. All right. S&Ps were good. They just dropped 5. Let's put the NASDAQ back up on the 1 minute. Put the NASDAQ back up. And again, remember, this Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, I'll be hosting the MyFundedFutures TV show. Oh my God, we got to tie this, please. 71 on the NASDAQ. Go. Yes, 1-1. Yes. Woo. Where's Aaron with the giveaways? What is he doing? Wow, 1-1 USA. Go. go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Who scored it? NASDAQ. The gold's dropping here. Look to cover this gold between the 69 and 72. They're going to drop. It's Christmas in July, Darrow. Day trader. There you go. SK Tillman, the guy who with the red card, he got it.
No, that's Balogun. Tillman's the guy who scored the free kick.
Oh, you're watching it right there, and you couldn't tell me he scored.
No, it went out like right as they scored, or when I looked up.
Pay the bill.
I'm putting it back on.
Wow, unbelievable.
Yeah, we tell him.
Oh, I'm so happy. Papa Trump made the phone call to FIFA. Said, "What are you, crazy? It's our country. You're not giving him a red card." It's Christmas, Jay. That's right, D Hall. 2-1 now. We're losing. Oh, come on.
They scored a goal. No.
Oh, that's quick.
Belgium just scored. Do they have a defense? Can you put the game on before I have a heart attack?
I'm trying here.
What's going on? What is going on? Every time, look at this. What a short up there.
Nasdaq got killed.
I'm not long. I think the fives are going to roll over. Anybody short the gold? What do you mean, oh, man? What's going on here? What a long, what a short. Oh, look at this gold drop. Who's short the gold? I covered this gold below 71, 70 and a half, 71. Oh my God, the NASDAQ 29.14. Look at this gold. Do they have any defense, the United States?
Oh, the same guy scored.
What?
The same guy who scored the first goal scored again.
Oh, you got it up. There you
Yeah.
go.
It's back up.
All right, NASDAQ. If it gets down to the even to 35, I'd look to buy it again here. Or even to 30. What a long on the gold. A short, I mean. Barack, shoot a short gold. Do I think 30 you can get. 35, 30, 35 here. Even 800 to 35 on the NASDAQ. You still got these 30s and 60s getting oversold here. How much time's left? Got to be about like 12 minutes maybe, if that.
Yeah, it's 10. At close stoppage time.
Anybody new with like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. NASDAQ, I'd be scaling it along between 40 and 50. Gold just dropped 7, 8 on the gold just now. Come on, chicken trader. Wow, it's only 8:37. I feel like it's almost 9:30 already. Oh my God, look at the gold drop 10. Gold just dropped 10. Come Monday. It'll be all right. Oh my God, look at this gold. Who got that gold short? They scored again, USA? G Peralta? Nasdaq's making new low. Look at that Nasdaq. Nasdaq's flying here. Nasdaq, if it hits 16, 14, it'll be down 100. And literally, here we go. Here we go. You could look to scalp the long on the Nasdaq.
I bought them.
Okay. Nasdaq, you could look to scalp the long anywhere between, I would say, the 790 to the 815. I think there'll be one more push. But what a short. I said 15. Then I said 10. Then I bumped it to 15, 14 and a quarter. Look at this. All right. If you bought 14s, there they go. There they go. There they go. If you bought 15s. Okay. Anybody short that gold? That was a Picasso. My God, what a short. What a short on that gold. Good Lord. Oh my God, 2-1 they're losing. Come on. Oh my God, this gold's finished. You pushed up in gold into the negative MACDs. Unbelievable. All right, Nasdaq should get maybe, if you get one more push down, I think you're going to get a push right back up. Again, the MACDs are not confirming, okay, on the 60-minute S&P. So that should do it. Come Monday, I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 lonely days in the brown early haze. I just want you right by. Look at this, 15 and a quarter. Look at this. I missed this here by 3/4. Here we go. Oh, car. I got my hush puppies on and I do and make you rock and roll. But honey, I can tell you, and he's good. He's good. He goes to the vet on Wednesday with me. See you again and come Monday. It'll be all right. Come Monday. And I'll be holding you tight. I'll spend 4 lonely days in the brown early haze. Semis are selling off. Where's AMD trading? And Micron? Micron last sale shows 960. I'm looking at GLD. What do you want me to look at? They're still in buy modes. I'd be buying this gold here if it gets to the 50.5, 58.5 range. NASDAQ looked to sell above 14 up to 30. Wow, you're still short Nasdaq? From Nasdaq dropped over 100 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. Yeah, you're looking at the GLDs, right? I don't know how to look at them after hours. I'm still in buy mode. AMD 548, thank you. There goes the Nasdaq. But honey, I can tell you that I'm hoping to see you again come Monday. It'll be all right. Come Monday, and I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 lonely days in the brown early haze. I just want you back by my side. Every mountain in San Francisco. I got my hush puppies on. My Henny, he's the best. Boom, Nasdaq. You long?
Yeah, I just got out.
Boom, Nasdaq. There you go. Look at them go. Where's the bull? Whoa, Nelly. Krantz, I don't know why you didn't cover and go long. Look at him rally. Look at him go. If the hit's 48, it'll be up 40. What a long. Whoa, Nelly. That's the 15s and the 30s. S&Ps up 2. I would wait until the 15s get overbought. So the Nasdaq, really, to tell you the truth, I really looked at the S&Ps on that. If you look at the S&P futures here, you can see that the S&Ps were making new lows here. And the MACDs did not confirm the low right here. Look at it. Oh, my God. This is a monster bull flag. But like you said, the NASDAQ, the semis are selling off here. So not bad. Listen, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I got my hush puppies on. Not bad. 36.
Gold's setting up a long.
I would buy the gold off the 50 off the MACD's non-com. If it gets, I said 50.5 to 58.5, and never got there. Yes, I'll see you again come Monday. It'll be all right. Come Monday, and I'll be holding you tight. I'll spend 4 lonely days in the brown early haze. And he's not going to have pups. No way. Oh, my God. He's 6 years old. The poor dog doesn't even know how to eat a sweet potato. Has to hold the poor dog. I love him so much. He got a little baby stuffing, you know, like a little stuffed lamb. And you have $8,900. What's wrong with that? Kabooshed. Boom. I hope so. He's only 6, man. I love him to death. But NASDAQ, if it gets down to the, what did it get down to? 08 again? If it gets down to the 78.5 to 08.5, I'd buy it again. Just happened so fast. The semis are getting kabooshed here. Another good long. Boom. Just ran 20. Jesus. I got my hush puppies on. What thing of Oracle? What, CRCL? What the hell's going on with what's that? CRCL? Circle Internet? You mean for the day, for the night, Stephen? Bitcoin 64,000, ran 7,000, or about 3,500. I don't know. I got to look at it a little bit closely. CRCL, only for you I do this. It's a piece of garbage. I'm tired. What's this? This is that IPO. Are you kidding me? This IPO printed 298. What idiot bought it up there? Are you crazy?
Okay, Stephen, we had 256 people. Give me a number.
Number. How many? 256. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Is that what you said? Number 7. How's that? Number 7.
Oh, Corb Trades. I know he's there.
Core?
Corb.
Corb. KHORB. Congratulations, yeah. Corb Trades. There goes the NASDAQ. 08. Corb Trades. Congratulations.
All right.
Is he here?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Give me one more.
Number 53.
Okay. I don't like this name. Bots Builder. But
Bots Builder?
Bots Builder.
All right. Gold, I cancel the buy range. Is Ryan here or Ryan sleeping?
Sleeping.
Okay. Some good moves here on the NASDAQ.
Yeah. He said you were too much for him. He needed a break.
He didn't say that.
No, like he said, you're so much for him. Like he's like, I can't keep up with him. I need a break.
I'll trade every tick.
I'm just letting you know. He's like, I don't know how he does it. I need a break. Just a big tired dude. I don't see this guy. I'll give you 10 more seconds. Bots Builder, BOTS Builder. Not here. Oh.
He's here?
Nope, not here. All right.
Number 67.
67. Kill Viper 14 or Killer Viper 14.
Killer Viper 14.
I knew somebody was going to say it.
He's here.
There he
Killer
is.
Viper.
All
He's right here. I see him. Congratulations, Killer Viper.
All right. Back to the show.
All right. He said that really I'm too much for him?
No, he just said that he can't keep up with you. He needs to rest because you're on. He doesn't know how you do it. He's like, he must be on something. There's no way. He can't be that old and on this. There's no way. I was like,
there was not one losing trade in NASDAQ today on and everything. I want to win this freaking thing.
I know. He just, he need, you can go. That's what he said. You can go.
Mm-hmm. You know why I can go? Do you know why?
Love this game.
Do you know why I can go?
Because you love this game?
Besides loving the game and the passion for the game.
Why?
Because I don't want to go out in that real world.
No, that works too.
I don't want to go out there. It's a jungle. Not Cialis. Are you crazy? Because I don't want to go out in the real world. Your thoughts on the NASDAQ? Well, I would wait. I think, they're going to be in a range 770 to 820 to buy. And if they push up, you short them on the 15s. The 30s reverse to sell.
Hey, Steve.
Yes.
I bought the gold at 59.
You got 59?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it traded there. I would just sell it out 60. How many long?
Two, just two.
Just sell one at 64. Get the hell out. 63.80, 64. And then you raise your stop to 60 and a half, 61. You may get one more push up to 65, but I would be out on one. Hello from London. Libby Do, if you want me to help you, please text me 914-500-7484. Oh, yeah, dude, forget it. Are you out on one?
Yeah.
I would raise your stop to 61 3/4 now, 61.70 on the gold. If it goes to 64 and a half, 65, you can sell it, and then you raise your stop to 63.50. You understand how the game was played?
Yep.
Andrew, $2,500 in 15 minutes, not bad. Halftime.
Dude,
I was never in the Playboy Mansion. Ricky Bobby, what's going on? El June, how are you? I got my hush puppies on. Here, Michael, here's a number. Got a lot of work there, Junior. You gonna keep up here or what?
Talking to me?
Yeah, no, I'm talking. Yes, well, Kyle's not a junior. Rich is not junior. Who the hell is junior? Ain't Aaron.
yeah. Nah, it's going.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's do it.
What? It's a good long, right? Now you raise your stop to 63 and a half, 63.70, right? You're locking in, right? Goes to 66, 67, right? I don't know how high it's going to get. The negative. So look at this. So what you want to see is indicator 3 right here. If it starts pushing up into that negative MACD, I get the hell out. I mean, really, in all honesty, 65 is a pretty good long, up 5 on gold, up 6 on gold. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
I'd probably just kick it out at 65. You know, or put a stop at 64. Just lock it in. You got one of the. You got a bear flag setting up now.
I have it
So
at 64 and a half, so.
you sold them?
No, I have a stop at 64 and a half.
Okay.
I'll raise it.
I just sell them at 65. Get the hell out. That's a bear flag. You're out. Got stopped.
Yeah, I'm out.
65 and a half. That's for due to see you again. Come Monday, it'll be all right. Come Monday, and I'll be holding you tight. I spent 4 lonely days in the brown early haze. I just want you back by my side. Kabooshed on the gold. 65 and a half to 62.80. What a night. Get in there, Luke. I'm up too much to stop my consistency rule, so I need to win today. Just remember, I'll see you again. Come Monday. Oh, I want to short this NASDAQ. One more push up. Oh, God. There goes the gold. Damn it. On the bear flag. What did NASDAQ just get up to here on the 1 minute? I was thinking 60.
56.
I was thinking 60 right here on the NASDAQ. Oh, kabooshed. Oh, my God. 30 on the NASDAQ. Finished. Bye-bye, gold. Bye-bye, gold. Yep. Where's Iceman? Oh, my God. 30 down. Incoming. Oh, you think we'll have enough time to watch this game?
We're at halftime?
If it goes to extra time for sure.
Wait, they're tied?
No.
Oh.
This is when Belgium takes the lead again.
NASDAQ, if the NASDAQ gets down to the 87 to 17, I'd buy it. NASDAQ. Actually, you can go 90 to 17. Just keep it simple. 790 to 817, 815 range. Let's see if there's fives. Actually, you know what? Go lower. NASDAQ, go 85 to 785 to 810. Nice out on the gold. See how the stop worked? See? Good job. But see, I told you that was a bear flag down the 5. Just drop $5 on the gold. Let me tell you something. You make $5 on gold. That's no joke. You understand me?
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money. You make 6 up. NASDAQ, S&P's just dropped 4. NASDAQ just dropped, 40. I think the NASDAQ, if the NASDAQ can get down to the 10 handle, Andrew, great job, Andrew Barley. Gold's making new low. What a bear flag. Gold just dropped $7. That could caboose the market. I still think there's a good chance they can hit 10. The low is 08 over here. Oh my God, look at the gold. Look, I told you it was a bear flag. Yep.
Okay, NASDAQ.
If you bought the NASDAQ at 10, look at that, 10.75. Come on, man. You see that?
I know, I'm at 10.
That's 3 times that happened to me tonight.
I'm at
You
10.25.
communist.
I actually bought it at 14.
Look at you, communist. Look at this.
You got singles or doubles?
Raise the NASDAQ to 90 to 11. Oh, forget it. Just ran 18 like water. I took my if the gold gets down to the 53, what did gold just get down to? 52 and a half, 53 and a half. Wow, look at the NASDAQ. Oh my God. It's crazy. It's a casino. If this gold gets down to the 48 and a half, 54 and a, oh my, 54 and a half, I buy. Look at this NASDAQ. How in God's creation? 10.75. That's 3. Here was 15. Whatever. Back here, I'm not even going to waste my time. It just happened 3 times tonight, though. You're in a short. All right. Now you got the double red short. Boom. Just dropped 15. These 60-minute time frames are a 3 oversold condition. 3 on the 60. Yes, sir. You can scale out longs 15 up to 30. Where's my Eddie? Oh, there goes the gold. Damn it. See, the gold made a new low. MACD's couldn't confirm. What a bear flag. Here you go. 15 up to 30. I'd be scaling out of longs. What was the low on that last gold? 54. Andrew, do you know what the low of that last gold long push down was?
$52.
Exactly 50, up 5. Nasdaq. Michael, you need my you need my phone? Okay. Look at the Nasdaq. There it goes, baby.
Damn it.
What, you sold it?
Yeah.
We're at 22?
Mm-hmm.
It's all right. It's 14. Listen, you cannot get hurt taking a profit. Barack. All right. How much you up?
I'm 180.
Come on, let's get to 350. You watching the game?
Huh?
It's on?
Yeah.
It's it started
Yeah,
again?
It's about to
It's
come
not
out.
started.
It started?
No, it's about to.
What time is it? I hope we caught some part of the game. Henny's watching it. Henny's having more fun, right? He's watching it. Here goes the Nasdaq making new lows here. Nasdaq had buyed here 760 to 800. Actually, you can go 75 to 05 on the Nasdaq. Shoot, that was it. Make it down to 03. Shoot. You want?
No, I missed it by $1.
Yeah, give it to Michael, please. Thank you.
Waiting for it to go down.
I'm long at 07.
All right, just trade it. All right, if you bought them down there, nope, never got there. 05. All right. Still think you're going to get one more push up. All right, here goes the gold pushing down to new lows. What an that long in gold, dude. That's trading. You know, and I missed the short on the bear flag. You can look to buy this gold anywhere between the 45.5 and 52.5 range, or 45.52. I missed the short on the gold. When on that bear flag, when it hit the 65, I said, get out. I was watching his long, and I said I'd be getting out of the long, and I missed. I said there's a bear flag, and how's Henny? He's home watching the soccer game. He's such a good boy, my boy. He's such a good boy. Oh, Michael, you're gonna come in tomorrow. You can sit there and do that if you want. You don't just come in at night.
Yeah, I'll come in tomorrow. What time?
Whatever time you want. You got a car?
Yeah.
Just sit there over there. What's the score?
Still 1-2 game just started.
It just started.
Yep.
Gonna start shooting.
They gotta start scoring, you mean? It can play with you, man.
It won't fill me at 07, 05.
It didn't get down there. I got my hush puppies on. It's gonna come here now. Watch. Here goes gold making new lows here. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day, he didn't like the carrots. No, he loves the sweet potatoes. If anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Also, please watch my podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. This NASDAQ, so you can see, is bouncing off the 800 level, right? You can see the oversold conditions on the 60.
Right.
That's what's keeping it afloat, right? So I'm talking, okay? He didn't like them. He didn't. He loved the sweet potatoes. Absolutely loved the sweet potatoes. There goes the gold. I'd be scaling out long on gold above 53. You get the long on the gold?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I like the fact that you're trading multiple things. When you gotta be up over 1,100.
$800.
It's not bad. Kyle, you hit the 200 mark?
I'm at 230.
Okay, your goal is 350 if you can do it. Look at this NASDAQ. NASDAQ hit 05. I'd be out above 10 here. Hope you're long.
Yeah, I just got out.
Okay, see how it's holding this? Again, if this NASDAQ, whew, that's fast, man. It just traded up to 20. See that? It's going to break 800 now. Look to buy the NASDAQ anywhere between the 65 and 95 range. It breaks 800. There may be stop orders. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Try pumpkin. I know. I got to get the pumpkin. That's what I got to remind myself to do that. Anybody get that long down there? Just rallied. NASDAQ hit 800. Again, if you're long, I would scale out above 09, 10, 11. It hit up, when it pushed down, it rallied right back up to 14, 15, 18. I wouldn't go long here. I would. They're going to hit that 95. Wow, look at the NASDAQ holding. The minute you bid 800, it's going to go right through it. Wow, the 15s and the 30s and the 60s so oversold. Oh, my God. The 60s have a 5 oversold condition. They could rally them 30 here. Anybody out on the gold? If you want to take the long on the NASDAQ, I go 70 to even. 770 to 800. Are the semis still selling off? NASDAQ cancel that. I go back down to 95 to 65. It's going to go blow right through it. Boom, here it is, 800. If it breaks 800, look out below. You can go 60 to 90 or 65 to 95. Here, broke 800. Bye-bye. Broke 800. Gold, new lows on the gold. You could look to take a long on the gold, 43.5 to 50, 43 to 50. You got stop orders on gold. Here we go. The NASDAQ get down to 95. Look at that, 0.75. Is that a joke?
You got me in, so.
How'd I get it in?
I had a 95.25
I never traded there.
on MNQ, it did.
I show 95.75.
I show 95.25.
Really?
Yeah,
I have 0.75.
on MNQ.
Yeah. All right. It's just
Well,
like
top step.
it doesn't matter.
I mean, that's good. You got filled.
Andrew Barley, great job, Andrew. See if this gold, all this gold's finished. NASDAQ just ran 12, 13, 15. NASDAQ. Damn it. Yep, 90. Oh my God, NASDAQ. 0.75. That's 4 times today.
We're gonna pop.
Look at him go. Oh my God. Let's see if you get one. Just dropped. Did USA score yet?
No.
How they look like crap.
Yeah, yeah, it's not looking great.
How much time? Where's the time?
You still got like at least 40 minutes.
Oh, that's a long time.
Miracles happen in 10.
Yeah. NASDAQ, I'd raise it, goes 66 to 96. Where can you learn? Just text me, Isam, 914-500-7484. 914-500-7484. Aaron, you want to do one now?
Okay. Give me another.
You said 256 was the number, right? We
Yeah.
had. All right, I'll go 194. 194.
MPQP7VB. MPQP7VB. I don't know.
What?
That's the name.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
There you go.
Oh, damn. He replied. Yep.
Hey, congratulations. MPQP7VB. Oh, he's been here before. I remember him. Hey, Step Tracks.
All right.
Just- You want one more?
Can do one more.
Okay, I don't know how many we're doing tonight. 225. 225. Hey, Step Tracks.
Shade Tricks. Shade Tricks with an X at the end.
NASDAQ looked to sell above 96, 97 here.
Belgium just scored again.
Who did?
Oh,
Oh, come on. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. What's the goalie? Let me see the video on this. What's this guy doing? Wake up!
are you here there, Shade Tricks? Because if you're not, next.
Here's the replay.
There's a replay.
Oh wow.
Yeah, come on.
He came out of the goal.
He came out.
Oh my
What the
god.
fuck is he doing?
Why
Is he
hesitate?
retarded?
He is.
All right, next. Give me another number.
All right, number 239. Oh my God.
Keep dropping.
Oh, this is a long one.
96, 97.
Amilma. I can't even pronounce. I'm just gonna type this one in the chat. This one's too much for me.
Oh my God, what's going on here? I
That
wanted to go home
person.
and watch this. Now I have to sit home and have a scotch.
I'm about to take freaking giveaways away for every time Belgium scores. Those bastards. Ah.
NASDAQ, you can buy it again down here, anywhere between the 40 and 70 range.
All right.
Is he here?
I don't think so. Emil Momstim. I don't know how you pronounce it, but I posted it in the chat. If they don't answer, then next. I'm gonna trade. Who says I'm gonna trade? What
Oh,
are you talking
Amiro
about?
Gomez? Is that his name?
No, it's Emil
no.
Momston 88.
I have one thing to say. Next!
Yep. Call it.
Number 241. We'll just keep it in the twos.
4-1. Muck NQ. MUK Muck NQ.
Muck NQ. I know, oh my God. I know a guy from Belgium. He's just going to blow my phone up if they lose tomorrow. Muck NQ.
Wow.
Muck NQ.
You guys know the deal. When they show up at 950, where were you?
Sell these NASDAQs above 70 here. Next.
Yep. Call it.
105. Whoa, there goes the NASDAQ. 105, please.
Frank second. Frank second.
He's here.
Yep.
Look to buy the NASDAQ again anywhere between the 20 and 60 range if they get down there. Frank second, congratulations. I'm so pissed. How does goalie come all the way out in the goal like that, man? Pick the ball up. You can't pick the ball up out of the box,
No.
right? Just boot the freaking ball.
Yeah, I don't know why you hesitated there. Like 0 cents.
And then he kicks it to the Belgian guy, and the Belgian guy blasts it from midfield to an empty goal.
It's rigged. They paid them.
Oh, my God. You can't lose as a host country. All I know is the guy who bought NASDAQ today at 29,916, he jumped. That's why I said when it pushed up to 96, it looked to kick him out.
Come on, NQ.
Or you long.
60.
All right.
Like 63.
Well, if it drops to 50, you buy a little bit more. Bring up the average, right? NASDAQ, look to sell in the NASDAQ here between the 59 and 70 range. I can't believe this. They're kabushing them. What's going on? It's because the USA is losing. They're all pissed. I picked 3 numbers out of in the 200s and nobody won. All right, let's see if you got one. The 50. Oh, you deeply oversold here. Look to sell the NASDAQ out anywhere between the 55 and 65 range if it gets up there. Let's just see. They're kabushing them, but again, look to sell any longs here between the you go 53 to 65 range if it gets up there. 38 points above away from the 10 bar moving average. Gold finished. Come on, give us one more push up here. Above 50 to 60 range, I'll be happy. So 80 points away from the 10 bar moving average on the 5. Goes down from that bear flag, 65.5. It goes down over $25. Here we go. NASDAQ 50. Sell the NASDAQ 50 up to 65s. Fast, right? Hope you got some, right?
No, still in it.
Trip to 53, Kyle. Should have kicked some out. Right?
Yeah.
When you see push-ups like that, all right, this gold right back up. You can scale out of some of this gold above 43.5, 44. You got some gold, NASDAQ 50.
Yeah, I got took a little loss.
Or you could rebuy them again here with the deep oversold condition, right? This ran 10. There goes the gold. Three host countries getting cabooshed. Yep. Well, Mexico got cabooshed. We're getting cabooshed. There goes the gold. I'd be scaling out of longs on the gold perfectly in the range on the gold. MU 940. Oh my God. Thank you. They all jumped. Jack boom. The Dow is flying. What's up? Why? How much is the Dow up? Canada lost. Oh, this would be heartbreaking for the U.S. Okay. There goes the gold. I'm still thinking you get a push up to 55.60 on the NASDAQ. Covering means if you're short, you're covering your short. If you're short NASDAQ higher, let's say you're short NASDAQ at 760 and it drops 20, 30 points, or I would be looking to cover my shorts, right? On gold, for example, you would be saying I'd be looking to exit my longs, sell your longs, right? Oh, Jason's harsh. Oof. Look at this NASDAQ down 200 points. They're killing the semis. They're killing the semis. You could look to buy these again here. 680 to 720. They got to push down. Just rallied right back up. Look at this gold rally. There goes the NASDAQ. Again, if you're still long in the NASDAQ in that range, look to start scaling out here, 35 up to 60. There they go. 20 to 60 was the range. You buy more?
Yeah. I got out. Just a small loss.
We should have bought more down there.
Yeah.
If the range is 20 to 60 and you buy 55s, you buy 45s, you buy 35s, you buy 25s, right?
Yeah.
There's no reason to panic.
Yeah, I just got in.
Look at the gold rally. Look at the gold rally. You buy the gold?
No.
You're done?
Yeah.
How much you up?
400.
You gave back 400?
Yeah.
You could take it that long again. Come on, get in there. You see how deeply oversold the 15s, the 30s, and 60s are?
I missed it. I didn't want to like get in late.
Get in what late? We still got 27 minutes. It's going to tick here. Gold just rallied here. Gold's rallying, so the Nasdaq and S&P are going to go with it, especially with the deep oversold conditions. Oh, I don't know about topping. I think the market's going to get killed. I'm not saying buy now. Nasdaq's going to hit 60, I'm telling you. There's no reason to panic. Not with a 3 oversold condition on the 60.
Right.
What are you panicking for? There's no panicking in trading. $55.60 should be a no-brainer. Yeah, 55. 56. It was a scalp long. 60. Boom. You guys got to learn. You can't panic with a 3 oversold reading.
Oh, yeah,
Right?
I'm just trying to save my account because the drawdowns are crazy.
big,
That's
so-
what messes you
Well,
up.
you're up 800. Could have bought them again.
Hey, yeah, I should have waited. Bring a pivot point at 721.
Who got the long down there? Look at it, 70. Look at that. Look at that long. Look at that 70. And the stop, right? 20 to 60. The stop was 05. Never got stopped. You can short the NASDAQ for a scalp long short only if it gets above the 78, 75, 78 up to 08. Gold, you could take a short here, 52 on the gold to 60. NASDAQ just dropped 20 on the bear flag. I'm short.
Yeah, I got it. Quick.
Just I need to leave you alone. Aaron, how many did we do tonight? 4?
That was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. No, wait, I think it's 5 actually. Oh no. Yeah, 4. Right. So,
Okay.
what else?
You want to do 2 more?
Okay, send it.
Number 11. What a short on the
Mike Trader,
Mike Trader.
or MKE. I guess it's Mike, but I don't know.
Oh, MKE Trader.
Yeah, MKE Trader. Excuse me. Too hard for me to see these damn names.
Hey, he's here.
All right.
Okay. Number 77.
All right. 1 second. 77. Chrono Sync.
Again on this NASDAQ, 75.78 up to 0508. Gold's got a bear flag on gold. Toronto Sync, is he here?
Yep. That's you, Chrono Sync.
Yeah, that's you, Baba. Get in there. Johnny Fonts, how you feeling, Johnny Fonts? Johnny Fonts, good man. You got some bear flag setting up here on the NASDAQ. Come on, get to 75. NASDAQ, I would go maybe like 73 to 03. A hard comeback.
No, they lost it.
They're done, right?
15 minutes.
How much?
15 minutes. Let's say 20 with the extra time.
They're finished. What a shame. Oh, oh my God. Look at that, 74, 74. Look at this, 74, 73, 75, 78, up to even 05. Gets up there. We got a bear flag setting up. What a long. We won't be able to we'll miss the game. How are you gonna score 2 goals in this game like that? How are you gonna score 2 goals? Right? This should be a bear flag here setting up. No. Look to cover anywhere between the 55 and 70 range if you're short.
Yep. Out.
Give it a chance. Wait till the 5s roll over. Look at it. Just dropped 13. Right, Kyle?
Mhm.
Incoming. Bear flag. Just dropped 18. Great job, Johnny Fonts. Bear flag on the team right now. You ain't kidding. I don't know. Hockey is different than this soccer. These guys will just keep passing the ball. NASDAQ down. If a NASDAQ hits 58, there's 20. There's 20 on the bear flag, Baba. Boom. You short? Look at this thing. Just dropped 20 on the NASDAQ. Anybody new here would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream every day, every morning, Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4. Please text me your full name and email. Okay, to 914-500-7484. All right, NASDAQ hits 78. If it hits 48, it hits 30. If it hits 48. Sorry. If it's 3-2, we just scored. We just scored? Michael?
No. Oh, wait, maybe.
The same we scored.
You just delayed.
I'll check.
Somebody just posted 3-2. Who said 3-2? Put him in the bathroom if he's wrong. No goal.
Nope. 3-1.
What a shame. Put him in the bathroom. NASDAQ gets up to the 80, 780 to 820. You're gonna have some bear flag. This gold should start getting cabooshed. $80. Boom. My Henny's home watching it. He's gonna be so mad. Wait till these fives roll over. Jesus. Look at this NASDAQ, up 70 off that. I got 16 minutes. I'm not going to be able to see this game. Jesus. What a bear flag. Let's see if I'm going to be right. Look to cover the NASDAQ anywhere between the go. It doesn't matter. NASDAQ 16 up to 92. Just ran 80 points on the NASDAQ. Oh my God. Should have just waited to get short. Look to cover anywhere between the 75 to 80 to 90 range. What a rally. 80 points, 90 points. I still think they're going to roll over on these fives. Oh, that gold was a great long. Let's see if we get another push down here. I got my hush puppies on. So the S&P just rallied 8. Again, we made new lows. The MACDs did not confirm. Just look to cover it between 80 and 90 if you're short. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. Gold got down to 42, ran to 58. If you covered the gold below 50, you can short it again here, 56.5, 57 to 64, 63, 64. I can't believe the freaking USA team. Just pushed down to what, 90, 93. Should have covered down there though. I said 80 to 90 though, but everybody in San Francisco. These fives, what time are they gonna? In 2 minutes, these fives should start rolling over. I got my hush puppies on. We'll see. Depending on where you're short, look to cover the NASDAQ anywhere between the 780 to 795 in that range if it drops. So we got down to 61.21. All right, this gold, look to cover this gold anywhere between the 53.5 and 56.5. How much time is left? Oh my God,
5 minutes.
four, maybe not, maybe total 8. Looking at it, guys. These guys are the biggest actors in the world. Let me give the guy penalty kick. Oh, come on. He tripped him. There's 2 people I know who are Belgium, and they're gonna bust my chops. Gold just dropped 3. Come on, Nasdaq. S&P's this bear flag. Come on. Gold just dropped 4 on that. How much you up now? How much you up?
I'm 220 now.
All right. Ryan, you want to do? I mean, Aaron, you want to do a couple more? I don't know how many you're doing tonight. Gold just dropped 4.
Nope, I'm finished.
We're done.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Let's see if we're gonna get one more push down. I'm pissed. US 3-1. Gold should work here. Yeah, it's just nobody. Just want to see if this NASDAQ can roll over on the 5. Well, gold just dropped 4. I would have covered some. Wow. How much time is left? They stopped the play?
2 minutes, maybe 10. Say if they give them 10 minutes.
Probably about 7.
Come on, NASDAQ.
Wild Deuces, how are you? Come on, get the 1 minute. Awesome Trader, how are you? I hope it goes down first. Where do you see a bull flag? That's a bull flag on the 1 minute. I'm talking bear flag on the 5. That was a great long down there, though. Oh, good run for the USA. It's over? That's it? No?
Now we're about to see what stoppage time is.
I can't see, I don't get market data after hours. Yes, cheesy pepperoni, absolutely. I got people coming from Australia.
+4.
They get 4 minutes?
Yep.
They better do something. Fucking NASDAQ on the, look at this bull flag on the 1 minute. It's a short. A freaking bull flag on the 1 minute right here. Got down to 93, so all right. I still think they're going to drop. These 5s are going to roll over here. There it goes. NASDAQ, you could cover anywhere between the 80 and 800 level if you're short. This gold's going to drop. I think SpaceX is going to get killed tomorrow. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Okay. Again, the range was 780 to 820. Wait till these 15s roll over. It's over. They lost. Oh, no, they got 3 minutes. What a shame. Again, Trish, thank you. Trish Trades. All right. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. That's why I said look to cover between the 780 and the 800. Hit 820 in the range and drop down to 92. So you should have been able to make money on that trade. Did you miss anything? Brave Day. Belgium scored again?
Yep.
What the heck? Are you kidding me? I
didn't see it.
Michael, you're a foot away. You're the worst commentary person I've ever seen in my life. You're fired. 4-1. How could you not be good in men's soccer? For Christ's sake. The biggest country in the 300 million people. These guys are just lazy. Look at them.
Oh my god, yeah, that's so embarrassing.
Look at
Also,
this.
the keeper's playing like trash. I mean, dude, you gotta get that.
Oh my God. NASDAQ just dropped 30 again. Look to cover between the 780 and the 800. Gold's dropping. All right, everybody. I want to thank MyFundedFutures. I want to thank all of you for being here. Right, I agree. USA lost. No kidding. 4-1. NASDAQ, if you're short, look to cover between the 780 and the 800 range. Remember, got up the full range, 780 to 820. Just dropped right now, 33 off the highs. Have a great night, everybody. Okay, thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Matt, Aaron, Luke, all of you. Look at the NASDAQ. I told you when those fives are going to roll over. You make it back?
Yeah,
How much?
same amount of money. I broke even 800.
All right. At least you got back in there. Woo!
These prop firms making me lose my mind, man.
Look, then trade your own money. That's what I right? S&P's, NASDAQ on that bear flag. I told you, look at the gold drop. All right, everybody. You have a great night. I'll see you all tomorrow night. Look at this NASDAQ, 50 off the highs. That's why you have to scale in on the ranges. You see? Your stop was 35. The high was 822. That's a monster bear flag, right? Okay? All right. All right, everybody. Ryan, you get that short? I don't know where Ryan is. What a short. What a short. All right. Have a great night, everybody. I'll see you all tomorrow night. Thank you for all. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you all. Papa Del, everybody. Keith Matthews, Danny, CT. And anybody new with like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Please follow me on social media at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, X, TikTok, and LinkedIn. And also, I have a podcast every night called The Bull, The Bear, and The Ugly. Please watch it on my SK Trading YouTube. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.